Hello mga Kapinas TV. Ang Kamara ay nakapili na ng kanilang panel of prosecutors na kinabibilangan ni na Congresswoman Jinky Luistro at Congressman Romeo Acop. Nasa Senado na ang desisyon kung kailan nila bubuksan ang pagdinig. Malamang sa Hunyo sa muling pagbubukas ng Senado.
The majority leader is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, in accordance with Section 16, Rule 6 of the Rules of Procedure, in impeachment proceedings, I move to elect the following members of the House of Representatives as prosecutors in the trial on the impeachment complaint filed against Vice President Sara C. Duterte. Representative Jervil Jinky Beatrix Luistro. Representative Romeo M. Acop. Representative Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez. Representative Joel R. Chua. Representative Raul Angelo Gil Bongalon. Representative Loreto B. Acharon. Representative Marcelino C. Libanan. Representative Arnan C. Panaligan. Representative Isabel Maria Zamora. Representative Lawrence R. Defensor, and Representative Jonathan Keith T. Flores. I so move, Mr. Speaker.
There is a motion to elect the aforementioned members as prosecutors in the trial of the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Z. Duterte. Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved.
Samantala, ang Senado sa pamamagitan ni Senate Secretary Attorney Renato Bantug ay tinanggap na ang Articles of Impeachment kontra kay Sara Duterte mula kay House Secretary General Reginald Velasco.
Anyway, it's my honor, Mr. Secretary, to turn this over. This impeachment complaint filed and endorsed by 215 House members and approved by the plenary for transmittal to the Senate, which I am now doing.
Yes, thank you very much. It's my duty as well to receive this transmittal from the Honorable House of Representatives as presented by the Secretary General.
We will give it to original copies, which you have to receive. These are received copies, parehong original.
Original. But of course, in the meanwhile,
Yeah, photo.
Second, okay lang, receive as first page? Receive here?
Yeah. No, yung receive copy. That's yours.
Okay.
So this one is ours. Copy lang muna.
So, receive once again.
And then this is receive copy. This
So, record will be matched, then you also have this read. Second, you receive them. Second time, para lang yung receive. Second time.
For the convenience of the senators, we will also furnish you with 24 copies of the complaint without the annexes. You don't have to receive this. This is our extra copies.
congratulate.
Yes, Sir Ramos, Secretary General.
Should we need any more
Yes.
documents, please get in touch. I have here with me my Deputy Secretary General for Legal. She will answer all your questions. Okay.
Of course, I'm not Secretary General of the numbers of duty of going over the impeachment complaint assessment what I want. But just so I want to repeat that what the Senate says is what the House will do. Each and every page, nothing missing, nothing lacking. So, medyo libo lang, but I hope you can spare one or two of your staff to help my staff as well. Hindi ko ikaw ang final clear, no?
Okay.
So, namit ikaw ay?
Yes.
Hindi ko...
Ikaw na lang.
Okay. I always want to spoil your Secretary General's plans for me.
No, because I needed to the process.
Yes, because we have to go back to the House. Thank you very much, Secretary General. So, I promise to pay for dinner. Sana ba?
No. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Pagkakasama sa mga kamay.
Dito lang po sa video po. Thank you po.
The Senate staff and House.
Nagustuhan mo ba ang video? Huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-subscribe at mag-share ng video. Hanggang sa muli.